Just a few days ago, somebody was asking me the kind of screen recorder that I use in recording my laptop screen. There are so many screen recorders that you can use to record your laptop screen, ranging from Filmora video editing software, OBS, which is free on Windows. I don't know about MacBook, Adobe softwares. There are so many other screen recorders that you can use to record your laptop screen. But apart from all these softwares, on default, there's a command that you can use to record your laptop screen on your Windows 11, Windows 10, and Windows 8 laptop. And that is what I'm going to show you. Just a very short command, and without installing any additional software in your laptop or your desktop, you can record your laptop or your desktop screen. Now let's jump right into my system. Let me show you the command that you can use to record your laptop or your desktop screen without installing any additional software on your system. Now, once you come to your system, okay, and you want to record the screen of your system, and you don't want to use any additional software like OBS, or you don't know how to use OBS, and you want to use your own default Windows to record your screen, okay, what you need to do is come to your keyboard and hold Windows alt+R. Once you hold Windows alt+R, your system automatically will start recording. My system is recording now. It has brought out a small line. I don't know if this will be showing inside the video, but from here I can see that my system is recording. Is on 16th seconds, and I think I will have to, let me use this phone and make a video about it so that you guys can see that my laptop is recording. I don't know why I'm recording this video is I don't know if this is going to be showing on the video I'm going to play here, or on top of this video. I don't know if it's showing. So this is what is showing now. You can see here is on 51, 52, 53, 54. You can see it's recording. This is the same screen you guys are seeing here. Okay, you can see this is my screen. Okay, and I don't know if this is showing on my screen. It's recording. And if you want to stop it, all you need to do is take your mouse and go here and click stop. Okay, this blue button, click stop. Once you click stop, the next place you're going to find this is go to a folder and go to, I think, videos. Okay, you can see this is captures. I think it's this one. Okay, let's play this. This is the actual video that you can see. This is the video. But I don't think it wasn't showing in the video. Let me go to the last stage of it. It wasn't showing in the video. You can see here, it wasn't showing. But while I was recording from this phone, it was now showing, okay? So if you're recording your screen, that particular logo will not be coming out on your screen. So this is how you can record your screen on your laptop and also on your desktop. Another way you can record your laptop screen, which is the one I use on a regular, is to press Windows G. Once you press Windows G on your laptop, I use this one often. Once you press Windows G, your laptop will automatically start recording. So guys, once you use this command, Windows alt+R, you will record your laptop or your desktop screen. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asike Kinsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.